Welcome to Cinema Craft 101. It's a short film school prep series for the dreamers and doers. Today, I will talk about how to get started and build your portfolio. Your zero budget starter kit. You have watched the breakdowns. You have studied the directors. You know the difference between a dolly shot and a drone shot. But there is one question, and that keeps you up at night. And what is that? How do I start? I don't have a crew. I don't have a budget. I don't have a portfolio. So how do I build one if no one will hire me without one? It's the classic filmmaker's paradox. You need experience to get work, but you need work to get experience. So how do you break the cycle? You start with what you have right now, today, yes. Step 1. Shoot everything. Your phone is a camera. Your life is a set. Practice framing. Practice lighting with the desk lamps and window lights. Train your eyes to see composition in everyday life. The best filmmakers didn't wait for permission. They stole moments from the world around them. Step 2. Tell micro stories. You don't need a feature film. Make a 30-second video with a beginning, a middle and an end. Challenge yourself to convey an emotion without dialogue. Each tiny film is a brick in your portfolio wall. Comes the step 3. Find your people. Filmmaking is collaboration. Find the actor in your batch, the writer in your building, the musician who needs a video. Trade skills. Make things together. Your network is your net worth. But more importantly, your network is your crew. And then step 4. Share everything. Put your work on YouTube, on Instagram, on every platform. Not for likes. Yes, for feedback. For proof of work. For the chance that someone sees your voice or listens to it and want to work with you. A student of mine got his first job because of a 2-minute video he shot on his phone. Not because it was perfect, but because it showed he could tell a story. That's all anyone wants to see. That you have something to say and you know how to say it visually. At School of Film and Television at the erstwhile Raj Kapoor campus, Pune here, we don't expect you to arrive with a Bollywood resume. We expect you to arrive with hunger. We see that raw footage, those micro stories, that phone shot passion, and we give you the tools, the mentors, and the industry connections to turn it into a professional career. Your first frame doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be yours. Start today. Build your story with us. We are waiting for you.